Talkie channel.
I'm
I'm Mile.
I'm Pim.
and he's
He's
Noon,
Noon.
and he's
He's
Mint. And what are we going to do today?
So today we are going to show you what we eat in a day.
Like breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Hi guys, I'm Today I will show you guys what I eat in a day. So I will start with my breakfast. To be honest, I want to tell you guys that actually I don't often eat what kind of this food because I usually eat the sausage that they sell at our faculty canteen. But today I will try to eat new things, so I decided to have this Caesar salad with black pepper chicken breast and drinking yogurt that I bought from 7-Eleven last night, and I will eat this apple too. So the reason why I want to I want to eat this kind of healthy food because I want to lose my weight and I want to be more healthier. I already put the sauce and the topping that they gave, and I already make it together. And now I will try the chicken first. The chicken is very good, and the vegetable. It's not too bad. Now, drinking the yogurt. I really love this brand. I think the taste is very good. And have some apple. Okay guys, now it's a lunch time. So for lunch I decided to eat a vegetarian food. So the first thing that I want to represent to you guys is called Isan style mushroom soup. This, they put a lot of many type of mushroom in here. And the second one is this, the gill chicken, but it's not a real chicken, it's a fake chicken like this with rice. And I will try and I will tell you guys how about the taste of it. I will try this one first, the mushroom soup. It's very good, but I think if it's hot it could be better, but because now it's cold already cold. And I will try the chicken with rice. I think it's more delicious than the real chicken. I think you guys should try it. It's very good. So this is the last meal of the day. For dinner, I will have this one. I will eat the spring roll, but it's a vegetable spring roll, not pork or shrimp spring roll. And another thing that I will eat is a light noodles with this one tuna curry sauce. So I think it could be delicious, but I don't know, maybe it could be delicious. I will try and tell you guys. And it is my first time to try the vegetable spring roll. So let's try it and I will tell you guys. So let's try the spring roll first. It has mushroom inside. It's very good, very delicious. The taste is same like the pork or shrimp spring roll that I have tried. I like it. And they come with the sauce, but I think it's delicious enough.
Hi, I'm Mile. This is what I eat in a day. And this time is about 12 o'clock, and this is my first meal. I think it's too late. Maybe it's my bunch. Yes, that I ordered is like a noodle soup and boiled chicken. Let's eat. Hi, this is my dinner. I ordered from Yamdas at the restaurant. Let's see what I ordered. I ordered like a chicken feet. I don't know how to say, and it's about 129 baht, and rice about 15 baht. Let's go to eat. Let's try this really big one. I will try like a sauce. It's good. It's not too much spicy. It's a little sour. And that's it for what I eat in a day. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.
Hi guys, so I will show you what I ate in a day. So I actually ordered from GrabFood, and this is my brunch, and I actually drink milk tea. I ordered the stir fry chicken with basil and milk tea. My favorite one. Actually I just woke up from my bed and just want to show you guys what I ate in a day. So rice spoon. Oh yeah. Yay. This one is not actually only my breakfast and lunch, but it's actually my dinner too, because I just doing nothing in my room and just sleep, and woke up to eat like a dinner in 9 p.m. So I will like film only like my breakfast, lunch and dinner in one meal. It's not a diet, but yeah, just I'm lazy to eat dinner, so yeah.
Hi, good morning. Our topic, what I eat in a day. Today in morning, I will eat noodle. This is my noodle. It have minced pork and pork sausage and rice and soup. It smells so good. And I have a crispy pork slice. Eat with a noodle. It's so spicy and sweet and soft. Now it's very good. So I want to eat noodle. It's a favorite. It's warming for me. And let's go. If you want to try it, let's go. It's so good, it's delicious. I want to try this different cake. Japan cave is a banana and Nutella filling is part is now. It's so sweet.
Hello guys, good morning. This is my breakfast for today. It's a Thai noodle. I will show you how to eat. This is meatball. Yummy. This is meat of beef. Oh no, it's a meat. I like to eat vegetable. Yummy. Okay, that is for my breakfast. Bye. See you in the afternoon. Hi guys, this is time for have dinner. I will show you what I eat. In Thailand we call เมี่ยงปลาทู This is vegetable. This is something like rice. And I'm gonna put mackerel. And this is sauce, peanut sauce, and have some taste of spicy. Eat it. Good. This is have taste of spicy and a little bit sweet. This is salad. Mackerel, the sauce.
That's it for today. Thank you for watching and
Don't forget to
subscribe, like, and share.